Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, very exciting day. Finally got the registration number for this bike, so I haven't been anywhere on it yet. I'm about to go out for my first ride, so stick around. That's nice, beautiful rainbow. It's just a double rainbow. Can't look at it too much though, because I'm trying to avoid a load of mud that's on the road. Anyway, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a good day. So yes, you joined me on a very special ride. 400 subs, thank you very much everyone. It's absolutely amazing. I find it amazing that any of you would want to listen to my drivel, but there we go. It's absolutely fantastic. And I like that you do, so don't go anywhere. And the other good bit of news, as you can probably tell since I'm not out on my Blackbird, is that I finally got a registration document for my Buell. And it's been raining most of the day, so I'm actually just taking the opportunity to take it on its first test drive. So you join me on my very first road ride of this bike. It hasn't been anywhere on the road apart from in a trailer until this point. And I hope you can hear me okay, because it is really quite loud. The speedo is a mile out, I need to calibrate it. But by and large it's working alright. It needs a slightly bigger ride or jet, because the one that's in it's a little bit on the small side. It's running a little bit lean. And the front brake is terrible, so I'm going to have a look at that. And I do have to get used to the fact that it isn't my Blackbird. So it doesn't go around corners like my Blackbird does. And it also doesn't have the ground clearance, so I can't actually counter steer it too much. I've got to get back into that cruiser mentality of riding. So yeah, it's absolutely fantastic to be out on this bike after 5 years of building it, and then life getting in the way, and then waiting for registration, cancelled SVA. It's been a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. But it is absolutely fantastic to be out on this bike after all that time. So yeah, absolutely amazing to be out on this bike, guys. 5 years in the making. If you're interested, I'll stick a little card up in the top right hand corner of the screen up there somewhere about. And you can have a look at the tour of the bike and find out a bit more about what it is and how I built it and stuff and what it's made of. So yeah. It's a really quick video today, guys, just to say thank you to all of you for subscribing to the channel, and just the first ride out on this bike, which is amazing. It's an absolutely fantastic feeling, one, to be back on a cruiser, back on a Harley, but also out on a bike you've built and that first ride on a bike that you've built is absolutely amazing. It's a really fantastic feeling. So yeah, quite a quick video today, guys. A little bit of a special. I don't normally put videos out midweek, but I couldn't resist this week. Fantastic having you along, sharing the first ride out on the bike that I built. It's an absolute privilege to share it with you. I also have to remember that it doesn't have the ground clearance to go around corners, but to scrape the exhaust, so yeah. I do have to remember that when I'm out riding it. It's not like my Blackbird is. It's a cruiser, it's not a sports bike. I'm going to get home before it rains again, put the bike away, and consider what I'm going to do next on it. I've got quite a lot of work to do, I think, just to get it to a point where I'll be happy taking it on a longer ride. But for a first ride out, it ain't too bad. I really am going to have to do something about the front brake on this, because it is shockingly bad. Rear brake is actually far more effective. Beautiful rainbow over there. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video. Hopefully you can. Yeah, there's an awful lot to get used to on this bike compared to the Blackbird's very, very different beast to ride. But absolutely fantastic to just be out on it, to be honest. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. Get out there on those bikes and enjoy them. I'm going to head home before the rain sets in again. Hope you enjoyed coming along for the little ride along, sharing in this first ride out on the Buell. It's been amazing having you here. I think once it's rejetted, it's not going to be any kind of slouch, to be fair. Thanks for watching, guys. Get out there on those bikes and enjoy them. That's what they're for. Ride safe, and I'll see you next Friday.